Hey folks, it's Speedistevie video time again.
Hey guys, I've heard you've got to take the GTE car down to Le Mans, so I've arranged a sweet towing vehicle for you.
So boys, where are you? On the road?
We're waiting for you down here. We need the car.
Good luck with that, guys. I hope to see you at Le Mans.
Come on, mate. What? We've got to get to Le Mans. How long does it even take to get to Le Mans anyway?
Mate, we've only just left. It's like 7.5 hours to go.
7.5? Who's this checking up on us?
Hey boys, are you nearly at Le Mans?
Yeah mate, we're nearly there. Just a couple of Ks to go.
Are you sure? Because I think you need to get a move on.
What? What's he on about? Oh my god, it's Ross!
See you later, guys.
Who does he think he is? James Bond? God! Rick, can you pull over, mate? I need another wheel. Oh man.
Monday, 14th September, Le Mans. Aston Martin Racing heads into the 88th running of the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans, aiming to take its third-class victory with Vantage, and secure the 2019-2020 World Endurance Championship. For the first time at the Circuit de la Sarthe, both classes will race with the current turbocharged 4-liter V8 Vantage GTE, with 3 works team entries and 1 customer car firmly setting sights on its maiden Le Mans win. This year, for only the 3rd time in its history, the 24 Hours of Le Mans has been moved from its traditional mid-June slot to a late September date, and sadly, for the first time, the famous event will be run behind closed doors as France moves to contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. But while there will be no fans in the tribunes opposite the world's busiest pit lane, Aston Martin Racing is determined to put on a good show for the millions watching on television around the world by repeating its 2017 triumph for Darren Turner, Johnny Adam, and Daniel Sarah.
I've been driving for hours, so I've had enough of this. I'm going for a kip in the GTE.
What am I supposed to do? Come on then, DBX, let's see what you've got.
Harry, what the hell happened? It's filthy!
Not too bad, is it? I don't think they'll notice.
Come on, let's get this car to Le Mans.
That's it for another Speedistevie video. Subscribe now.